In this video, we'll discuss about pre-decrementation arithmetic operator. So, demo of pre-decrementation, that's minus minus, okay, operator. It's an arithmetic operator. So first let us include standard input output header file. Then let's include a main function, okay, void main. So within it we'll write our program. So int, so here we can declare some variable. Okay, so age of a person, okay, and experience. Okay, so we can store experience of a person. Okay, so as the age increases year by year, the experience, number of years experience remaining, okay, experience remaining will be reduced by 1. So let's declare experience remaining. Presently it is 25 years. Okay, so during 2020, okay, the remaining years of experience is 25 years for a young man. Okay, so now when it become 2021, okay, so what will happen? So we will capture the total experience remaining, okay. So total experience remaining equal to minus minus, so that is pre-decrementation. Okay, so we want to decrement experience experience remaining. Okay, so pre-decrementation we have used here, minus minus experience remaining. Okay, so now we want to print. So for printf only we have included standard input output header file because that function is defined in that header file. Okay, so years of experience remaining, okay, equal to percentage d, so total experience remaining. Okay, so now let's execute. If any error is there, we'll correct it. Okay, so initially his years of experience we assigned as 25. Okay, so his years of experience in 2020, it was 25 years of experience was remaining. Okay, he can work for 25 years more. Okay, in 2000 when he got one more year experience. Okay, so now his experience remaining will be decremented by 1. Okay, so even if you check what's the content of experience remaining, okay, what's the content in experience remaining, okay, okay, in that variable what is there? If you want to see, you can just print it. Okay, So we'll just print it and check. Okay, so initially the experience remaining was 25. So when we do minus minus experience remaining, first this 25 value will be decremented and that will be stored in total experience remaining. Okay, so here when we give minus minus experience remaining, that's equivalent to experience remaining equal to experience remaining minus 1. Okay, so here we have printed how the pre-decrementation has worked out. First decrementation will happen over this data and it will be stored in this total experience remaining. Okay, in next video we'll discuss how post decrementation will work. Thank you for watching this video.